Okay, I'm gonna start a video maybe in a strange spot. I don't know, I could go all the way to the top, but I think it's gonna get more interesting when we get towards the bottom. It's kind of a cool tree. A lot of cool trees. Here's another cool tree too. But anyways, we just kind of came up in another video. We came up here from some buildings down that direction, and now we're gonna go down. It's also a really cool tree too. Dang. And we're basically just gonna go and follow the street down. And just to give you a little reference, up there is Mong-Ha. There's a giant mountain or large hill or whatever you call it way up there. But I'm not going to do it because I have lots of videos of it anyways. It's called Mong-Ha. And I'll do some links at the bottom at the end so you can see if what that looks like, just if you want to know. And what we're going to do for this one, we're just going to go down the street and then to the big mess of cool stuff down there. So stay with me. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Man, that's just like a super cool tree. Very cool tree. I wonder if that's another figuera or if that's a banyan. I have my phone so I can actually see, and we're gonna walk down that way, but I'm just kind of dying to see what kind of tree that is. So we're gonna take a little snapshot of it and kind of take a look. And it looks like it's a mock Buddha tree. Cool, mock Buddha tree. So that's what that is, a mock Buddha tree. So that's a really beautiful tree. Mock Buddha. I guess I'm gonna guess that other one is a mock Buddha as well. This one looks really similar. Same kind of leaves. So then maybe there's some other ones in here too, of these mock Buddha trees. Anyways, so let's say goodbye to our mock Buddha tree and walk on down. Yeah, and actually I'm kind of glad I started in this spot because I could have started up there, but then that's basically that's international, it's IFT, fashion technology. They have master's degree programs in tourism and like chef kinds of stuff, customer service kind of things, casino things for the casinos in Macau. It's a very practical university, and I think it's kind of an interesting place to teach because you have really focused skills that you're training them to do, which I think is like a nice focus compared to, you know, just a general liberal arts degree where students don't always know what their future is. So I kind of like the structure of it. And that looks like that's one of the entrances right there, so we'll walk by there in a second. And I also just want to take a look, so now we can also see into our streets a little bit down there as well. And so yeah, if we walked up the hill, we'd go around to another part of it, but instead we're going to go down this way. I just kind of look at the front gate for a moment. So, okay. Tourism education training for the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau, Greater Bay Area. There's a giant sign right there, so we'll just focus on that sign real quick. So yeah, there's a big push for this to be an area all connected together, so they call it the Greater Bay Area, including Guangdong, Hong Kong, and Macau. Okay, so let's head on down. And we'll just kind of see what else we can see. Yeah, I'm really glad I started in the middle because we still got to show you the university a little bit, and you kind of have an idea about it, and you know that it's up on a hill, and now you also know it goes up to the top, and you can always go to the end of the video, or when you get to the end of the video, I should say. I don't know what kind of trees those are. I wonder if those are little figuera trees, figuera alta, or those are that looks totally different. We saw our mock Buddhas at the beginning, so I want to try to practice identifying those a little bit. TDM is right here. So yeah, Institute of Fashion Technology. So we just basically walked down the campus, and we came up some other trails in another video, and we started in this area. So now we got a choice. We can either go directly down that way, or we can go Mong-Ha So that one's called Rampa du Forte de Mong-Ha, and that's called Hua de Mong-Ha. Let's just take a look at both of them real quick before we decide. Hua de Mong-Ha. And then you kind of go that way. Or Rampa du Forte de Mong-Ha. And that one kind of has like that fortress kind of look right there. So I don't know. Kind of cool little spot though. And that's the IFT. And then that's a street that we could go down as well. So I kind of feel like this is more better. Let's see what this is. Parking lot, okay. So we're just gonna walk down here, and then we'll come down and just kind of show you what's at the base of this, and we're gonna go over to the Hua, and we'll probably call this the Hua de Mong-Ha, since this is actually a street that goes up to the top of Mong-Ha. Kind of interesting though. And we're also at these little colonial style houses. It's pretty cool in itself. We're kind of at the base of Mong-Ha, then you can see some of the campus up on the hill up there. It's good we came down this street actually, because you can see that, and then on the other side of that is the hill that you keep climbing, and there's people doing like Tai Chi and all kinds of stuff up there. Yeah, this is kind of at the base of IFT, these buildings. I heard they're gonna restore them and do something, but some of them are privately owned and some of them have different stories. So oh dang, we're also in this kind of cool spot over here as well. I'm gonna run across real quick. So that was kind of our spot. So we basically came down the hill off that, and then down here is actually kind of interesting street as well. I'm just gonna do something real quick and then I'll come back. But you know, so we come down that hill and it's kind of has a certain feeling, you know, you're up by the mock Buddha trees. There's like trees everywhere, and then in here we just have like a big ton of housing everywhere, like cool little alleys everywhere. Actually, this area is like such a great little area just to walk around and explore. So I'll probably do some separate videos in this area. More stuff over there as well. And we're just gonna come back and then we're gonna end our video. Okay. And we're gonna come up here. There's actually a temple across the street. And that was actually the Hua de Mong-Ha down that way, which I think I'm not gonna. This is near a temple though. There's kind of a cool looking temple right at the corner. So we are gonna end this one in a few minutes. This is not too horribly long. Gonna run across real quick. And then that's actually the IFT, the university. And then we have this. I guess we'll just end it right there. So yeah, that's IFT. And then I just, over on this side, we're, that's a cross street. And then there's a temple and there's some more of these colonial buildings as well. And I think that's a pretty good spot to end it. I just wanted to end it with this temple right here. 1821. So, okay. And I guess that'll be it for this street. We'll end it. Hua de Mong-Ha. And yep, way up in there. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.